नमस्ते, हमेशा खुश रहो विज्ञानी। Myself JV Dr. Archana Verma, Assistant Professor in Department of Homeopathic Surgery, Faculty of Homeopathic Science, Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Mumbai University, Jaipur. Now, today we start the new topic, that is tuberculosis. First of all, discuss the introduction. Tuberculosis is one of the most prevalent infection of human beings and contributes considerable to illness and death around the world. It is spread by inhaling tiny droplets of saliva from the cough or sneezing of infected person. It is a slow spreading chronic granulomatous bacterial infection characterized by gradual weight loss. TB is the world's second most common cause of death from infection disease after HIV and AIDS. Now, definition of tuberculosis. Tuberculosis is the infection disease primarily affecting lungs. Parenchyma is most often caused by Mycobacterium tuberculosis. It may spread to any part of body, including meninges, kidney, bone and lymph nodes. तो जो tuberculosis है क्या infectious disease है जो कि अफेक्ट करती है पेरेंचाइमल सेल ऑफ लंग्स. जो मोस्ट कॉमन कोज है ट्यूबरक्लोसिस का वो क्या है माइकोबैक्टीरियम ट्यूबरक्लोसिस. और ये किसी भी पार्ट में स्प्रेड हो सकता है. लाइक कौन कौन से हो सकते हैं मेनिंजिस हो सकता है, किडनी, बोन या लिम्फ नोड, कहीं पे भी ट्यूबरक्लोसिस हो सकता है. नाउ टाइप्स: pulmonary tuberculosis, avian tuberculosis, mycobacterial avium of birds, bovine tuberculosis, Mycobacterium bovis of cattle, miliary tuberculosis, disseminated tuberculosis, invade to blood stream to spread to all body organs. Now, incidence. With the increased incidence of AIDS, tuberculosis has become a great problem in US and the world. India is the highest tuberculosis burden country in the world, homes to 20% of cases occurring globally. Each year, 1.8 million develop tuberculosis. In India, 0.37 million people die because of TB every year. Now, risk factor of tuberculosis. Close contact with someone who have acute tuberculosis, immunocompromised status, drug abuse and alcoholism, people lacking adequate health care, pre-existing medical condition like diabetes mellitus, chronic renal failure, immigrants from countries with high incidence of tuberculosis, institutionalization, long-term care facilities, living in substandard conditions, occupation healthcare worker. So these are the risk factor of tuberculosis. Now, pathophysiology. Initial infection of primary infection, then entered of microorganism through droplet nuclei. Then bacteria is transmitted to alveoli through the airway. Then deposit and multiplication of bacteria. Bacilli also transported to other part of body via bloodstream and phagocytosis by neutrophil and macrophage. Then Mycobacterium Then microbacterium enter pulmonary alveoli. Then immune system is loaded in alveolar microphage. Then detect presence of pathogen and enough the bacteria. Microbacterium bacteria inhibits the microphage, phagosome and lysosome to form phagolysosome and remain protected inside the microphage. Then start replication inside microphage. Then primary infection occur. Then cell mediated immunity get activated, surrounds the cell to form granuloma at the 3 weeks, lead to necrosis of tissue at the infection site. Then involve near lymph nodes, horn complex. Then जब lymph node का involvement हो गया, then उसमें क्या होगा, calcification of horn complex, that is latent tuberculosis. So this is the process of pathophysiology of tuberculosis. Now clinical manifestation. Constitution symptoms: anorexia, low grade fever, night sweat, fatigue, fat loss. तो अगर क्लिनिकली अपन पेशेंट को अगर ट्यूबरकुलोसिस अपन सिम्टम्स के बेस पर भी वैसे डायग्नोज कर सकते हैं, टेस्ट तो होते ही हैं, पर पेशेंट अगर अपने पास में जो सिम्टम्स लाता है उसके अकॉर्डिंगली अपन पेशेंट को प्रोग्नोसिस कर सकते हैं. तो पेशेंट में क्या सिम्टम्स, उसको एनोरेक्सिया होगा, लो ग्रेड फीवर होगा, इवनिंग में नाइट स्वेट्स होगा, फटीग होगा पेशेंट, एंड उसका वेट कंटिन्यू क्या होगा, रिड्यूस होगा या सडनली रिड्यूस हो जाएगा. पल्मोनरी सिम्टम्स क्या हो सकते हैं पेशेंट को डिस्किया, नॉन डिसॉल्विंग ब्रोंकियो निमोनिया, चेस्ट टाइटनेस, नॉन प्रोडक्टिव कफ, म्यूकोप्रूलेंट sputum with hemoptysis, chest pain. Extrapulmonary symptoms are pain, inflammation. So these are the clinical manifestation of tuberculosis, and the tuberculosis continue in next class. This session powered by digital version 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women University. I hope you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, please mention in comment box. I will resolve it. Thank you.